Hello students. Now today we start our next topic, the pronoun and kinds of pronoun. First you see the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. संज्ञा के स्थान पर जो शब्द हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उपयोग में लाते हैं, उसे हम सर्वनाम कहते हैं और a pronoun. Now there are 5 kinds of pronoun. Personal pronoun. First one is personal pronoun, which are also called because they stand for the 3 persons. Like first person, we use I, me, mine, we, us, ours. Second person, you, yours, thou, thee. And in third person, he, she, him, her, they, and them. Second one is reflexive and emphasizing pronoun, which are myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, itself, and themselves. Here there is examples of these pronoun. Reflexive pronoun are used when the subject and the object in sentence refer to the same person or things. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन का इस्तेमाल हम तब करते हैं जब जो सब्जेक्ट होता है और ऑब्जेक्ट होता है वो सेम पर्सन और थिंग से रिलेट करते हैं. लाइक आई ब्लेम माई सेल्फ फॉर इट. यू विल हर्ट योर सेल्फ. ही पुट हिमसेल्फ टू ट्रबल फॉर नथिंग. लाइक दैट. Second is emphasizing pronoun, which is used with a noun or pronoun for the sake of emphasize. जो noun और pronoun के sake के लिए, emphasizes के लिए use किए जाते हैं. I myself was there. You must do it yourself. She herself looked after her wants. He himself told me this. Now third one is demonstrative pronoun, which is this, that, these, those, are used to point out the object or object for which they are used. This and these refer to things laying near at hand. That and those after to things laying at a distance. This is my school. That is my school. These are my books. Those are my books. You all of you know that दिस एंड दीज का यूज़ हम उन जो चीज़ें हमारे पास में रहती हैं उनके लिए यूज़ करते हैं, और दैट और दोस्त का इस्तेमाल हम जो चीज़ थोड़ी डिस्टेंस पे होती है उसके लिए करते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन आर यूज्ड फॉर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन का यूज़ हम करते हैं क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए. लाइक विच इज़ योर ड्रेस, हुज पेन इज़ दिस, व्हाट इज़ योर प्रॉब्लम, whom do you want to see. Next one is relative pronoun. Who, whom, whose, which and that are used to join two sentences together and refer back to nouns going before them. As who, whom, whose, which और that का use दो sentences को हम एक साथ जोड़ने के लिए करते हैं. Like he is the boy and he stole my bag. This is the boy who stole my bag. So there are two sentences. This is the boy and second one is he stole my bag. So with the help of who we combine it, like this is the boy who stole my bag. This is the girl. His father is dead. This is the girl whose father is dead. This is the girl. The teacher praised her. This is the girl whom the teacher praised. This is the house. John built it. This is the house that John built. So like that, students, you have to find out these nouns. Now the noun to which a relative pronoun refers to relate is called its antecedent. It can be noticed that in sentence 1, the antecedent of who is boy, here who is boy. In second, the antecedent of whose is girl. In sentence 4, the antecedent of that is house. Now as a general rule, who is used for person only. तो जनरल रूल के अकॉर्डिंग जो who होता है उसे सिर्फ persons के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, चाहे वो सिंगुलर हो या प्लूरल नाउन हो. लाइक the man who is honest is trusted. They never fail who die in a great cause. Here whose is used to speak about persons. whose का इस्तेमाल persons के लिए कहा किया जाता है. whom का इस्तेमाल भी persons के लिए किया जाता है. which का यूज हम animals और things के लिए करते हैं. those have without life. and that का यूज हम persons, animals और things सब के लिए करते हैं. now go to the exercise. Underline the pronouns in the following sentence and write the kind of pronoun. Here, I like Diya because she is good girl. So here I and she is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. They always talk about themselves. So themselves, reflexive pronoun. I blame myself for it. Myself is reflexive pronoun. Herself, emphasizing pronoun. Whose, relative pronoun. Which is also relative pronoun. In second question, he himself went to see the movie. Reena, you will hurt yourself. Preeti dressed herself beautifully for the party. The girls helped themselves to the cooking. I wash myself when I get up in the morning. In third question, fill in the blanks with suitable relative pronoun. This is the house that my grandfather built. The children who were standing there were frightened. This was the rabbit who won the race. This is the woman whose children were killed in an accident. She was a great leader whom all people respected. So students, you have to fill all these sentences in your book, and your homework is to read the lesson and try to understand it.